Hey everyone, Namaste, welcome back to my channel. Before we begin to the practice, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I think you should subscribe because many new videos are coming. So please do subscribe and stay tuned with me. I just got a thought of making a video on stretches to start your day. It's just simple stretches but very essential and very important stretches which will open up your entire body and makes you to get started with your day. So let's get started then. You can just sit in any comfortable posture, whichever you feel comfortable, maybe cross-legged position. I think that's one of the commonmost posture where everyone are comfortable with. From there, just reach your hands all the way up and take a deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Try to bring your elbows together and drop your hands all the way down. Give me 3 more breaths. Inhale, reach up and exhale, drop it down. Feel your shoulders. Once again, inhale, reach up and stay here. From here, grab your right wrist with your left hand. Pull your right hand all the way up to the ceiling. As you exhale, lean your body towards the left side without lifting your right knee and the right buttocks. Look forward. Feel the beautiful stretch in the right side of the body. After that, come back to center, switch your hands, grab your left wrist with your right hand, pull your left hand all the way up to the ceiling. Take a deep breath here. As you exhale, lean your body towards the right side. Keep your torso facing forward and stay there. And from there, come back to center. Now, interlock your fingers, turn your palms to the ceiling, push your palms all the way up to the ceiling. Give a nice and good length of a stretch, as if somebody is pulling your hands from the top. And from there, grab your right hand on your left knee, left hand goes behind your back. Twist your body with the support of your right hand, twist your body with the support of your left hand, lengthen your spine and look back. Slowly inhale, come back to center, interlock your fingers, push your palms again all the way to the ceiling. From there, left hand on your right knee and right hand goes all the way back. Come back to center, interlock your fingers, place it behind your head. Bring your elbows a little bit closer. From there, drop only your chin down. And inhale, open up your elbows, lift your chin all the way up as much as comfortable. And open your elbows to the side. Exhale, elbows comes closer and drop your chin down. Inhale, lift your chin, open up your elbows to the side. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. From there, take your left hand, touch your right ear, extend your right hand to the right side. Gently push your neck to the left side. And keep extending your right hand. Come back to center, switch your hands, touch your left ear, gently press your neck to the right, extend your left hand. Come back to center, drop your hands down, bring your soles of the feet together. One of the common stretch. Interlock your fingers, you can grab your toes or you can grab your ankles or your shin bone. Gently swing your knees to the side. Now from there, place your elbows inside your legs. Inhale, lengthen your spine, keep your spine straight. And just go down as much as possible. If you're not able to hold your toes, you can just place your elbows on your knees. And you can just press your legs to the sideways. Or you can place your palm and press to the sideways. But make sure you're not straining your shoulders. From there, bring your knees together, give a nice and tight hug. And stretch your right leg forward. Left heel close to the right groin. Right toe pointing towards your body. Inhale, reach your both hands all the way up. Exhale, lean forward as if you're leaning all the way forward and going to take something in the front. And then drop your hands down, maybe on your toe or your ankle or your shin, wherever you feel comfortable. Make sure normally one hand will be coming forward, one other hand will be in the short. So try to bring that and make it squared. That's important. And another thing is to imagine you're going to drop your chin down towards your knees. And there, inhale, reach up. As you exhale, place your right hand inside your right leg, right elbow. Place the palm facing towards the left side. Now twist your body, turn your torso towards the left and reach your left hand from the sideways, your left biceps close to the ears. As you exhale, lean towards the right and breathe. This will give the good stretch from the sideways. Inhale, come back to center. From there, now take your left leg all the way to the left side. Your both the toes pointing towards your body. If you're comfortable to grab your toes, you can grab it and just lean forward. Imagine you're going to drop your chin down. If you're not able to grab your toes, just walk your hands forward. How much comfortable from your side? If you still feel comfortable, drop your elbows down and stay here. Make sure to keep your toes active. Active in the sense, toes pointing towards your body. After this, walk your hands all the way back. Bring your left leg to meet your right. Reach your hands all the way up. Inhale. Now exhale, lean forward. Inhale, reach your hands all the way up. Exhale, drop it down. Now same you need to continue on the right side as well. Now from here, you need to bend your right knee, place your hands in front of the right knee, swing your left leg all the way back, pigeon pose. No need to drop your right buttocks on the floor, keep your hip lifted up. From there, tuck your left toe, lift your left knee and take your right leg back to meet your left. Come into downward facing dog. It is one of my favorite stretch. Make sure to chuck your posture. Your fingers are widespread. Rotate your triceps towards the floor. Shoulders away from the ears. Keep your neck muscles relaxed. Wherever you feel comfortable, you can look at it. Try to push your chest down towards your thighs, as if you're going to bring your chest towards your thighs. And abdomen gently pulled in. Keep your knees soft. Lift your heels slightly. And breathe. More importantly, try to lift your tailbone to the ceiling. Now from there, bring your left knee between the palm, pigeon pose, other side. Release your right toe, just sink your hip. You can keep your fingertips and try to push your torso back to feel the more stretch. Drop your hands, tuck your right toe, lift your knees, come back to down dog again. We're going to continue for a few more rounds. One last set. You can do it this one, 3 to 5. How much are you feel? This feels really so good stretch, especially for your hip joint. People who are working in the desk all the time, I think this stretch will be very most important to open up your lower limbs. After this, come into down dog and stay here. Walk your legs halfway. Walk your hands halfway. Keep your knees bent. Interlock your fingers. Now this time, try to extend your elbow, drop your head down and take your hands over your head. Keep your neck muscles relaxed. This is one of my favorite stretch to open up your shoulders. Keep your knees soft. From there, drop your hands down, walk your hands all the way towards your left side. How much comfortable from your side? And walk your hands all the way towards your right. Come back to center. Grab your elbows and drop your head all the way down until your biceps in line with the ears. From there, lift your torso until your torso parallel to the floor, halfway. Still your knees are bent. From there, come all the way up to the standing position. From here, you need to lean your body all the way towards the left side. As you exhale, come back to center. Inhale, exhale, lean to the right side. Inhale, need to lean your body towards the left without pushing your hip. Your hip should be at the center. Inhale, center. Exhale to the right couple of times. After that, come back to center. Reach your hands all the way up. Exhale, drop your hands down. There you go. How was it? So that is all about a morning stretch. A very simple, and yet it opens up your entire body to get to start your day. I really felt so good. Now I can take my yoga classes now. I have a couple of yoga classes. I'll start my classes, or maybe you can do whatever you want to do it. Like maybe your corporate work or a bank job, or it can be anything. You can start your day with these kind of stretches. It's very important to start your day with some stretches. So now it's time for you to practice and let me know how it goes for you. If you have any comments, any questions, please comment below and let me know how it goes for you. Until then, stay tuned, namaste and stay blessed.